Dear students, today we will study about to find the location of a place on a map. मैप में हम किसी भी पॉइंट की लोकेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. The material required a piece of paper. You should take a piece of paper. I am marking a piece of paper here. I mark here a piece of paper. You should do this activity on your SST notebook. Here, draw vertical and horizontal lines on a paper on equal distances. आपने equal distances पे vertical lines draw करनी है. Vertical lines क्या होती हैं ये मैं आपको draw करके दिखा रहा हूँ. These are the vertical lines. I am making the vertical lines on a piece of paper. These are the vertical lines. Understand my points? And also make the horizontal line on a same piece of paper like this. These are horizontal lines. I draw here the horizontal line like this. Now mark the horizontal lines as A, B, C, D. Write with alphabet A, B, C, D, E. And these horizontal lines we know also as north latitude. North latitude. And the vertical lines we can mention as 1, 2, 3, 4. And these vertical lines we can write here as east longitude. Now these vertical and horizontal lines, where these two lines intersect each other, we make a small circles as shown in the figure. Here we make as a these lines intersect each other. Here we make as B, these two lines intersect each other. And also we make here as C as shown in figure. And we mark as D here. And also as E here. Now locate these points. If we locate here the point A, what is the definition of point A is here. The definition of point A is this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, 1 degree of 1 degree east latitude, east longitude, 1 degree east longitude, and B degree and B degree north latitude. Here also, if we place a mark B, write the definition of point B, where this point B is located on a map. Here it is also on D degree north latitude and 1 degree east longitude. Now the point C is here we mention as point C is located on the horizontal line on point C, therefore C degree north latitude and 3 डिग्री, पॉइंट सी देखिए पॉइंट 3 पर है ये, 3 डिग्री ईस्ट longitude. आल्सो पॉइंट डी एज ई डिग्री, ई पॉइंट डी को देखिए ये ई पर मेंशन है, तो ई डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड एंड पॉइंट डी इज हियर ऑन 3 डिग्री ईस्ट longitude and point E is B डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड। अब पॉइंट बी ई को देखिए कहाँ है, पॉइंट ई आपका बी हॉरिजेंटल लाइन पे लाई करता है, तो ये बी डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड एंड 4 डिग्री ईस्ट longitude. This is the method to find the location of a place on a map. This is the extra question for practice. Make this activity on your SST notebook. Thanking you.